Manage your rollout to Google Play hassle-free with release management. In this video, we'll show you how to update your release notes, automate stage rollouts, and make your new version available for your users. We'll start with the problem this feature solves for developers, followed by an in-depth look at the release management UI for a quick walkthrough tutorial. Let's get right to it. The end goal of every new version of your app is releasing it to your users fast. But rolling out to production isn't always straightforward, especially for those new to the process. The Google Play console can sometimes feel overwhelming to newcomers. Think about the various Android devices, each with its own unique screen size, resolution, and hardware capabilities. Ensuring your app is compatible across this diverse ecosystem is critical, but complicated at times. To make production rollout more convenient, we've launched release management to simplify the process of releasing mobile apps for your users. With this Bitrise add-on, automating Google Play stage rollout and rolling out to production becomes more straightforward. So how does it work? Once the QA team completes beta testing and both the team and stakeholders have approved the new version, it's up to the release managers to proceed with the preparation for production rollout. It's a good idea to inform your users of what's new in the latest version, which you can do by updating the release notes with the latest changes and improvements. Remember, only team members granted release manager permissions are authorized to submit the version for review. You have the option to roll out the new version to your entire user base at once, or to implement it in multiple stages. Using stage rollout can be a good idea, as it helps minimize the potential negative impact of a newly introduced bug. If you decide to go with stage rollout, Bitrise Release Management can reduce your manual workload by fully automating the process. Once automation is enabled, the stage rollout will complete over a span of 7 days, gradually increasing the percentage of users reached each day. You'll have the flexibility to pause the rollout at any moment, giving you control should any issue arise. Get started with Bitrise Release Management today and release your apps to the App Store or Google Play in a streamlined, transparent, and secure way.